Hey, we're going to dive into a really fun lesson that is based around these chords. Just call them harmonic chords, really. So I think the thing that works about them is they all have similar notes in them that harmonize together. On guitar, super easy to play. So look, we'll dive in, and some of them you'll be pretty familiar with. So if you have your G, okay, you've got these two fingers down the bottom. We're going to leave those there. So, all right, full body G. Now if you drop it down, these top two fingers, you get a really nice C, okay? We're just going to call that a harmonic C. And if you drop it down again, you get an F. Okay? So. Alright? So there's different ways you can work this as well. And probably what we'd really like to know is, all right, sounds great. How can I make it even better? Now the notes between are the key here. So what we've got is a really nice transition that you can bring in a harmonic kind of E minor. All right, so now we want to bring it up to a C. We can run all right. So if we put it together, okay, and then where are we going to go from there? There is another beautiful chord that fits in here, and that's a A7, okay? How nice is that? So we can then go drop it back. All right, now you'll probably find this chord progression is used by a heap of different musicians in different ways. But look, it's the start. Watch out for your copyright. So they're beautiful, aren't they? Now, with this, you really need to go, okay, what scale am I playing on here? So that one is actually your E minor. Okay, so you can really play around with that, or G major, E minor. So you can kind of whatever you like. Now, icing the cake. What we can do is just use these notes as a bit of a transition chord. Okay, so all right. Okay. All right, and it adds this beautiful sounding tool set. So you've got a So from that A minor up into that F as well. Now, what else can we do here? There is actually a D as well. So you've got a whole bunch of chords that have all got these same notes in it that are singing together. So now, I encourage you to play around with them, and then look, if you've seen me ascending open chords as well, when you tie this together, you get something amazing. So you can have a now you can see how we start to put these open chords together, use them really well, tie in some notes that link them, and you're starting to play some amazing rhythm. We'll see you next time.